My son-in-law, my grandchildren's dad, he got married and he became a citizen, but he divorced his wife in 2 years because he got his citizenship by going into the army.
Right.
And so what he did, he went down and he married the children's mother.
Okay.
After he was divorced in 2 years. So now he wants to file for the kids and he's still married to his children's mother. Will that be a problem?
Why is that a problem? He's a citizen.
I don't know, because he had a condition on the green card, but he didn't get a citizenship through the wife. I'm wondering because
but he's a citizen now, so that's all that matters.
Oh, it doesn't. Okay.
Okay.
And it won't be a problem since he married the mother the children's mother in Jamaica in 2 years.
No, it's not a problem as long as he declared he had these children ahead of time. It's like he hid them and then all of a sudden he's fine. He's a citizen.
Okay.
Now. All right.
I'll be coming in to see you to
Great.
do the.
Great.
Okay. All
Hold
right.
on 1 second.
I moved to the U.S. in 2010. My mother filed I-130
Right.
in 2006. In 2016, my husband filed for divorce. I had a consultation with an attorney. He told me that the divorce would actually put me in a better position and I'm not to leave the U.S. He would file an adjustment of status the moment the divorce is finalized. When the divorce was finalized, I took all my papers to him. He filed the adjustment of status.
So you went from an F3 as a married daughter of a U.S. citizen to an F1 unmarried daughter of a U.S. citizen, correct?
Right.
Okay, but the problem is your mom filed in 2006. You overstayed your time. Once the divorce happened, you're out of status based on whatever visa you were on. And as a result of that, you are not eligible to adjust your status because you're out of status unless you're 245I. And that's probably what happened, right?
Right.
So now you need to do a provisional waiver.
Right.
Your lawyer screwed you. Hold on.
My problem is...
Your problem is you're listening to a dumb lawyer. That's what your problem is. So you need to do a provisional waiver for you and your children. You all go home. You all come back. That's what you need to do.
I am a green card holder. I'm trying to file for my two daughters. I'm in Florida. They're living in Connecticut. Where would I submit the I-130?
Your daughter's over 21 or under 21?
No, they're 10 and 4.
Okay, and you're a citizen?
No, I'm a resident. My wife gonna file for them.
All right, so you're going to file adjustments for them?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I would file they're living with their mother?
Yes, yeah, they're living with their mother.
Yeah. Well, you would be filing an adjustment application for them to come live with you. So presumably it would be Florida.
I would have to submit it to Florida.
Yes, because just understand the concept. The adjustment is for family reunification. So the children would be coming to live with you in Florida. That's what you're doing.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, so what if they don't come to live with me?
Then there's no family reunification. You don't have a right to. I mean, you can file for them, but immigration's going to give you a problem because you're subverting the purpose of the law, which is to keep families together. When you file for a family member, okay, you're filing for a family member to be reunited with that family member. They're in Connecticut. You're in Florida. Where's the reunification?
Oh, I guess I'll have to consultation.
Maybe. Then. Hold on.
When proclamation states children, that's in quotes, who will age out of their visa category are exempt? Does it mean turning 21 years or 21 years old after factoring in the CSPA? My brother, petitioned by my mother, got his case approved in March, and he has been waiting for an interview date since then. Now he's currently over 21.
If you're under Child Status Protection Act, they're not going to expedite the case. But if you didn't qualify under Child Status Protection Act and you're going to turn 21, then yes, you can do something.
How long does it take for a U.S. citizen to file for his unmarried stepson over the age of 21 from Jamaica?
5 to 6 years.
I came here in the United States when I was a child, and my aunt, she take me to the Social Security office, and I get a Social Security number, and she gave it to her daughter to use. Is that going to affect me when I'm getting my papers?
You got a Social Security number when you were a child, and it was given to you by your aunt?
Yes.
Okay. The actual act of getting a Social Security number when your child shouldn't affect you because you have no control over that. If you've used that Social Security number and made false claims to U.S. citizenship as an adult to get jobs or something like that, that could be a problem. All right. So,
okay.
But wait. I don't want you to say anything because we're not having a confidential conversation. We're having a conversation with 300 other people, and at the moment watching, and thousands of people will watch within the next, couple of days. So I was having a consultation.
I'm calling to ask on behalf of my mom. She filed for me, right? So she filed for me, and they sent back the filing papers 2 times. She filed for me, they sent it back 2 times, but she filed it before my 6 month on my visiting visa because they gave me 6 months in the country.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
And your mom's a citizen or a resident?
She's a resident.
And when she filed for you, did she file an adjustment application or just an I-130?
She filed an adjustment application.
Okay. Have they accepted the adjustment application now?
No.
Are you in status still?
No.
Your mom screwed you. You're screwed. When will your mom become a citizen?
She got a green card last year in April.
Your mom screwed you. You're out of status. And soon you're going to have a 3 and 10 year bar. You have to have a proper I-45 filed while you're in legal status. Once you fall out of status, you can no longer file an I-485. Your I-130 is going to take 2 years to get approved. You're going to be sent to your home country and have a 10-year bar. How long have you been out of status now?
I think maybe 4 months, because from January.
Okay. So you need a consultation because you have a lot of decisions to make in the next 30 days. Are you going to go back to your home country and wait for your green card, which will take 2 years? Are you going to stay here and live here illegally? You have a lot of big issues to decide, but what you're not getting is an adjustment because your mom screwed up. If you're a U.S. citizen father and your child is born outside of the United States, your child is a U.S. citizen automatically. So even if you say, I don't want my child to be a U.S. citizen, I never want my child to come to the United States, child's a citizen. The point is, citizenship is automatic. Every child in the United States is entitled to go get a public education and go to school, no matter what the status is of his or her parents, and no matter whether or not that child is undocumented or not. So please educate your child.
I remember I talked to you on the show. You talked about my kids were in Haiti. We're supposed to get a green card. They haven't gotten it still. But Monday, I did my citizenship interview, and everything went so well, and I got approved on the spot.
Congratulations.
And they gave me an appointment for my oath ceremony.
Right.
They asked me to come tomorrow for a oath ceremony. Since tomorrow will be the oath ceremonies, I'll be officially a U.S. citizen.
Correct.
Will that give me any legal power to pressure the embassy for my kids to get their green card?
How old are your children?
8 and 6.
Yes, they would, because they would be immediate relatives. And as a matter of fact, when they come to the United States, they become automatic U.S. citizens. So As soon as you get the naturalization, you alert the NVC that you want to upgrade the case to immediate relatives. And yes, that would put them in a much better position.
Well, they're already under immediate relative because it was my wife with the U.S. citizen who did it.
But still, you would say, here's my naturalization. The kids are going to become automatic U.S. citizens when they enter. So now you're withholding citizenship from children. So try to speed it up that way. Even though your wife filed for them, they're still going to get green cards and be residing with a U.S. citizen parent.
Because I'm going to be a U.S. citizen, that will expedite that.
I don't know if it'll expedite it, but it's certainly not going to hurt. That's for sure. And I can tell you that your kids are going to be automatic citizens when they arrive.
Tomorrow will be the day, and I'm so happy. I remember when I was talking to you, and I went to that interview, and you were telling me to bring proof of joint documents and all that. I was lucky enough. They didn't ask me a single piece of paper.
Good.
They just approved everything.
Good. Congratulations.
They just asked me the question, and
I'm happy for you.
I approved everything.
Congratulations. I'm happy for you. Thank you very much. And good luck with everything,
Mr. Brad,
okay?
And I appreciate the work that you do.
My pleasure.
Keep up the good work.
And thank you for calling and giving us the update, okay?
Yes, sir.
Congratulations to you. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.